Hi there, this is Defective. This is a HP Chromebook and only a little bit of the keyboard is working. So this cable is actually covered in a layer of tape and the damage is underneath this tape. And I did think about trying to cut it, but then I had a thought. I can, with this very fine blade, which is a dental probe, keeping away from the tracks. And then what I can do is I can go down at the bottom and I can lift up this piece of tape that's covering those tracks like that, which will expose the silver tracks. Obviously what I'll need to do is to cover these up again when I've finished, but what I'm hoping to do is to pass through this now. Let's use a big pair of tweezers to just pull that flap up as high as I can get it. There we go. So now we've exposed 1, 2, 3, 4, about 8 tracks. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this amazing multimeter device for micro SMD to try and jumper those tracks and see if I can figure out where the break is. Make sure it's working. Now if I put the probes quite close together, we've spotted the break. I'm going to put some conductive glue along the length of that particular track and leave it to dry and see whether or not that does the job. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.